This is exactly how I booked these many meetings and closed 12 clients in just 2 weeks. And these are all of my actual clients inside my monthly recurring revenue Stripe dashboard inside my subscription. And it's not just these clients, I also upsell my clients for anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 on setup fees. And I have 97, 297, 197, and 497 in subscription. So I'm making money in installation and I'm making money on hosting fees. And this is exactly how 2 of my coaching members closed 5 clients each on their first month with my one-on-one help. So you know that this is not just working for me to get clients, it's also working for you guys, even if you don't have any experience on getting clients or building websites. So watch this video until the end if you want to close your first client today. So this is how I make 12,000 pounds or $16,000 in monthly recurring revenue. All I do is find businesses who don't have websites, give them a free website, which is going to take 5 to 10 minutes to set it up. And we can charge them 97, 297, even 497 on hosting fee. Or if you don't want to sell everything for free, you can upsell a 5-page website. And that's where we can get the $1,000 or $2,000, even $3,000 on setup fees. Let me quickly explain the service delivery part of the business. Yes, you don't have to build everything from scratch and sell it for free. All we do is go inside the software called Go High Level. Yes, I deliver my services, website, and the automation on the back end so that we can charge them 97, 297, 497. Clients are not going to just pay the hosting fees for like 97 to 497. They have brains. So in order to get the 97 to 497 hosting fee, we have to have a backend automation or the CRM and everything which can be taken care inside this software called Go High Level. So if you want to make use of this software and deliver the service to your clients, you can make use of my 30-day free trial link in the description. And this is what I usually do. Click on From Templates. Yes, you don't have to build anything from scratch. We're gonna just get the template and sell it to our clients. Click on Continue, and this is where you get to have lots and lots of different websites for all the niches. For example, let's look at this. It's just a random website. You can just search your own niche and look at this. It's a good looking website. People usually think if it's a Go High Level template, it's not going to look good. But look at this. It's actually a good looking website. Agency will charge clients anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000 for this exact website. And what you're going to do is change the logo, change the images on the website if they want to be changed, and that's it. Connect the domain name, voila. You just signed a new client who are going to pay you anywhere from 97 to 497 on a monthly recurring revenue. Yes, they are going to pay you every single month. And if you had 10 different clients who are paying you 97, that's $1,000 a month. And if you have 2 different clients paying you 497, that's again $1,000 a month. And if you upsell these clients for a 5-page website, you can charge $1,000 for a setup fees. So there's lots of different options to make money with it. But the tricky part is it's not about delivering the service. Delivering the service, anyone can do it. Even my grandma can do it. But the fact is, if you don't get clients, you will not make any money. And that's what we're going to see in this video. Since we know what the business model is, now we're going to see how to get clients. There are lots of different ways to get clients. We can do cold calling, cold email, cold SMS, cold walk-ins, where you can straight away walk into the shop and pitch your services, reach out to your friends and family. But in this video, we are not going to stress about anything. It's the most simplest and easiest outreach method, which is Facebook group outreach. This is the reason I started getting more clients on my own agency, and I wanted to help you guys, and I shared every details of my agency. And everyone started doing the exact strategy and no one started getting clients. All the admins are gonna kick you out if you use the exact same strategy we used to use 1 year ago. And that's why in this video, I'm gonna remove the strategy. I will let you know how to get access to this exact script by the end of this video. So watch this video until the end. Don't skip anywhere. And yeah, as you can see, we have 63 comments. So it means 63 potential clients who wants my services. And you also have, I usually pitch free websites, and you also have some clients like these. Hey, I saw your post about free website and I'm sure the positions are already filled, but could you do a landing page for my business? Happy to pay. So you literally have clients who want to work with you, and some clients you don't even have to upsell. They are even ready to pay for your services. And I just wanted to be clear, if you are someone like this, bro, I joined too many groups and started posting and no admin is not approving. What should I do? I'm pretty sure 90% of the guys who are watching this video are gonna do the same thing. After watching this video, instead of looking into what the actual script is, you're gonna be blasting your outreach on all the groups you're gonna join. Trust me, admin is gonna kick you out in 5 seconds. And by the end of the day, you're gonna be broke. So listen to me carefully. Don't take any brash decision without knowing what the actual strategy is. And yeah, as you can see, this is my old strategy, and you can actually see what's going on over there. And this is what you guys are still using and crying about not getting any clients on my comments or my DMs. Trust me, you're not going to get clients if you don't know what the actual strategy is. As you can see in this group, I posted the old script and the admin didn't approve my outreach because they know that everyone is doing it. Probably it's a scam. That's the only reason admin doesn't approve the post. It's not because they don't want to help us. It's just that if you see the same message everywhere, people are going to think it's a scam. And it's not just this group. I have multiple different groups to show you, for example, 2 posts pending, 2 posts pending, 2 posts pending, 1 post pending. And you can see these are all different groups across the UK. And you can also see the post says just now. And also here, just now, just now, just now, just now. So it means, so these are all the groups who didn't accept my old script, but they did approve my new script. And that's where I got these many 63 comments, 63 potential clients who want to work with me. And everything leads to the comment section. As you can see inside the comments, for example, they will say, I'd be interested in learning more. Some of them will say straight away that I need a website, can you help me? Some of them will be interested, and you must slide in their DM and convince them to buy the service from you. And inside the DM, again, I'm not going to show everything in detail. I'm going to explain everything by the end of the video, how to do it properly and get more clients. That's where we push them into our funnel. And this is the funnel. Let me show you how the funnel looks. This is not it. Yes. So this is my funnel. This is where clients get to book a meeting with me. So this is VSL explaining why am I giving this for free. Long story short, I'll be just saying I'm going to give you a free website now, but if you want something in future, that's where I'll get paid. This is just the means to connect with local businesses. But only you and me know that we are going to make money by upselling a 5-page website or getting the hosting fees for $97, $297, or the $497. And yeah, we have all the reasons why they want to work with us. We have the portfolio, we have actual testimonial from clients, the reviews. And again, this is what people need to pay for agency to work with them to get the website done or the automation done. With us, it's going to be $0 for the website, but the automation, they have to pay the hosting fees, the $97 to $497. And this is where clients pick a date and pick a time and book a meeting with us. And inside the meeting, we will close those clients. For example, this is one of the sales call. I upsold this. I actually outreached this client for a free website, but I ended up closing him for £1,000. So technically it's $1,300. And on top of it, I signed them for the hosting fees as well for £97. And this is where it gets interesting. So this is my closing script. Yeah, if you want this closing script and the funnel, you don't have to build everything from scratch. You can just use the thing which is actually working for me and implement it inside your own agency. I'll let you know how to get access to it by the end of this video, so watch the video until the end. And this is where the investment page. So this is the last page of my closing script. And this is where most of my clients will be interested on the free website, and they will be like more than happy to pay the 97, because when I open up the screen and search, if a client is objecting for the hosting fees, open up the screen on another page and type how much is the hosting fees costs. You can see the list of things. Yeah, some people may say some providers are giving hosting fees for $10, $20. But guess what? They're not getting a website. They're not getting a backend automation. They're not getting a lead capturing system, and they are not getting an AI employee or chatbot or anything we are going to provide in our services. That's what they're going to pay for us. And yeah, it's $97 for the hosting fees and the unlimited pack. And this is where we upsell for the 5-page website with the SMS setup and the email setup, the text missed call text pack. All of those comes under $197. And after that, yeah, that's where we close all those clients. As you can see, it comes under like most simplest way to get clients. And I wanted to show you another thing, is that it's not just working for me. As I mentioned, this is Andre. He got 16 meetings with this exact strategy, and he closed 6 clients on his first month. As you can see, what I've learned so far using this method, 5.7K collected. 5.7K collected last month. Almost $6,000. And this is Jamie, 50 meetings. 50 meetings plus 12 clients on his first month. Hey bro, I'm number 11, maybe 3 to 5 more this week. So he actually ended up closing another client, and he has 3 to 4 maybes. So as you can see, it's not just working for me, it's also working for my coaching members or you guys who don't have any experience. And the reason why I redacted the strategy itself is because I don't want to ruin my own business. At the moment, you can find the redacted scripts, which is actually going crazy. It's not just working for me. It's like, look at this. He had 50 meetings and he had 16 meetings on this first few weeks. And if you want to find these scripts, you have 2 different ways. You can either find this inside our private community, or if you want personalized help like these 2, you can click the first link in the description, where I can personally set up your business from scratch. And by this, you will know what to do, what not to do, and you will learn from my own mistake, and I'll be by your side helping what to say and what not to say on the meeting. And I'll be helping you how to set up everything properly for your first few service delivery. Once you know how to do this just with one client, you can just repeat this multiple different times and stack as much clients as you can. And you may be thinking, yes, they can sign up, but they will be canceling anytime. That's why I wanted to show you this screen. And this is one of my oldest client who are paying me $297 until now. As you can see, they started on August 30th. And the last payment was March 3rd, a couple days ago. So as you can see, it's not just signing clients and losing them the next day. They will stick with you as long as we want. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you don't want to lose any more time and start closing clients as soon as possible, you have 2 different ways. Either join the community and take all the scripts and systems, do it by yourself, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me the questions in our weekly calls inside the community. Or if you want some one-on-one help where I can help you set up everything from the scratch, and I'll be by your side from the start until the end, until you start closing your clients. Click the first link in the description. book your discovery call. If I can feel like I can help you, we can start working together and you will get your clients as quick as possible. And I will see you guys in the next video.